Shalom, shalom. Welcome to another episode with Caleb Consultant. As always, praise Yahweh, glory to Yahweh. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And you can reach out to us at bacalebconsultant@gmail.com. Let's get started. Today, we are going to deal with what is a microloan and how to get one for your business. All right. The microloan program provides loans up to $50,000 to help small businesses and certain not-for-profit childcare centers start up and expand. The average microloan is around $13,000. Okay. Now, before we get into it, what do we always do? We start off with a scripture because glory to Yahweh, everything flows from the source who is Yahweh. Let's go to Deuteronomy chapter 15, read verses 7 and 8. And it says, if there be among you a poor man of one of thy brethren within any of thy gates in thy land, which the Lord Yahweh thy God giveth thee, thou shalt not harden thine heart. Thou shut thine hand from thy poor brother, but thou shalt open thine hand wide unto him, and shalt surely lend him sufficient for his need in that which he wanteth. See, that's loan. It's not saying give it to the person for free. It says you loan to your brother. Loan. So that's where the microloan program comes in. A microloan is a small loan, typically between $500 and $50,000. That's why the name is micro. Micro, not macro. Micro as in small. It's designed to help small businesses, startups, and nonprofit who may not qualify for traditional bank financing. These loans are often provided by community-based organizations like a nonprofit organization that I manage, Unity Group Services Inc. We do microloans. Um, there's also government-backed programs such as the U.S. Small Business Administration. You know it as the SBA, SBA.gov. They do microloans. All right. Microloans are great for purchasing equipment or inventory. Starting up your business, you need that. Starting or expanding a small business, building credit history, and covering startup costs. And if you want to know what do you mean building credit history, reach out to us at bacalebconsultant@gmail.com, Bacaleb Consultant, and we can help you with that. Those microloans can help build your business credit. Yes, it's a key to it. Next, how to get a microloan. You want to prepare a business plan. Yes, you need a business plan. Then you want to check your credit, personal or business. Now, even though microloans are flexible, they still review your history just to understand your responsibility with money. Not to say if your credit is not great, you won't get one, but they like to still review. Then you find a microlender. Example, the SBA microloan program, it offers up to $50,000 through nonprofit lenders. There's different lenders with the SBA that can provide those funding for you. You have faith-based or nonprofit organizations also that offer small business loans aligned with biblical stewardship. Yes, the money is there. Funding is there. There is never a limited or lack of money. It is there. You just got to know how to get it. Then you want to gather all of your documentation, your business plan, your IDs, your EIN or your social security number, proof of your income or business revenue, and your basic financial projections. Basic financial projection. And then you want to apply. You will apply at sba.gov. Yes, sba.gov/funding dash program slash loans slash microloans, or just do sba.gov/microloans, or contact us at Botcolab Consulting and we can assist you with filling out the applications and getting ready to apply for a microloan. Yes. All right. As always, this was a quick, simple video. Praise Yahweh, glory to Yahweh. BotCalebConsultant.com. And this is some information for you. It's very vital for your business. It is pertinent and relevant. We're here to help you go from zero to one and beyond. All right. Have a wonderful